Welcome to this video, a guide for electrical professionals explaining the trade-off between energy efficiency and cooling performance in AC Eco Mode. We will examine the core mechanisms of Eco Mode, focusing on how the printed circuit board manages compressor frequency and thermostat set points for optimized performance. Eco Mode achieves efficiency through three key operational shifts: frequency capping, set point offset, and fan modulation. Inverter frequency limiting is key to compressor power management in Eco Mode. The PCB caps the frequency, often around 70%, preventing high current spikes and reducing thermal stress, unlike Standard Mode, which ramps up to 100%. By avoiding the compressor's least efficient high load zone, Eco Mode can achieve an average energy saving of 30%. This results in a higher seasonal energy efficiency ratio, lower kWh consumption, and reduced thermal stress on wiring. Comparing current draw, Eco Mode significantly reduces amperage. For a standard 1.5-ton inverter AC, it drops to 4.1 amps compared to 6.2 in normal mode and 8.5 in turbo mode. There is a cooling speed trade-off. Eco Mode has a slower slope, meaning it takes longer to reach thermal comfort from a hot start compared to normal mode. In summary, Eco Mode caps compressor frequency, optimizes indoor fan speed, adds a 1 degree Celsius target temperature offset, and modulates the expansion valve for efficiency. Intelligent fan management involves synchronized modulation. When compressor frequency drops, the indoor blower speed is reduced to maintain a consistent delta T, ensuring the air feels cool and dehumidified despite a slower airflow. Advise customers to use Eco Mode for nighttime cooling and maintaining a steady state after initial cooling. It is also essential when running ACs on backup power. Avoid using it during periods of high heat load, like parties. The comfort verdict is that Eco Mode is efficient, not weak. Most users barely notice the slight temperature difference, but the 30% savings are a major benefit. For us, it means reduced wire heating and improved system longevity.